Okay, girls, so after the incredible success of the casting on, we're now going to move to the next step, which is the all-important knit stitch. You only really need to learn 2 stitches. One is knit and one is purl. So you should have a row of stitches like this on your needle, and you take the spare needle, which is usually in your right hand, but it may be the other hand if you're the other way around. You put it through the first stitch from the front to the back. So push through, you've just got through one loop from the front to the back. Bring the wool that's attached to the ball of wool round the back of the bottom needle and pull the bottom needle back through to the front, picking up that loop of wool, and then pull off the stitch from the needle. You may need to tighten the first one with the string that's hanging down or the wool that's hanging down. Right, stitch 2, go straight into stitch 2. You go into the second stitch exactly the same way from the front to the back. If you've cast on more loosely, this will be easier. Bring the wool round the back of the back needle, pull the needle from the front to the back and pull off. So we'll do that again. It might feel a bit awkward, but you'll get better at it. Round the back of the back needle, pull through to the front and off. So push the needle through the front, from the front to the back, just through one loop. Wool goes round the back of the back needle, pull the back needle through to the front and off. 3 more. Push it through, wool round the back needle, pull it through to the front and off. Push it through, wool round the back, pull it through to the front and off. Push it through, wool around the back, pull it through to the front and off. So all your stitches are now on the other needle. And if you have a look, you can see you've got a row of knit stitches all the way along. And that is all you need for your knit stitch.